Local news for Monday the 10th of December. Award-winning reggae band Three Houses Down have been secured as the headline acts for Masterton District Council's Waifest to be held on Waitangi Day next year. Lansdowne may become the home of a mountain biking park, with the Masterton District Council resolving to provide land within its recreation trail network. Council has agreed to a section of land between Tatoki and 5th Streets as being earmarked for the mountain biking development. The project is being led by a group of community members, including Lansdowne Residents Association, with fundraising due to begin shortly. Perfect weather conditions and bumper crowds of young and old enjoyed the Featherston and Martinborough Christmas parades on Saturday, and the Featherston parade taking a slightly longer route this year around the cenotaph, paying tribute to fallen soldiers 100 years on from the end of World War I. And in sport, the Red Star cricket side were well beaten by 189 runs in the Coastal Challenge on Saturday, set a target of 291. They were all out for just 102.